We are here with Toby Snyder, co-owner of Salon Toby Urban Spa, located on Quebec Street in the Lowry Town Center. Toby, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for coming.
So Toby, when did you decide to open your salon, and what made you decide to open a salon?
Well, I decided to open my first location in 1999. I had been in the industry before that for 18 years. I was also an educator for a national manufacturing company, and it was sort of the next obvious step in my career.
So any significance in choosing Denver, or?
Well, Denver sort of chose me, as I'm a fifth-generation Denverite, so I have very, very deep roots here.
So the salon industry can kind of be compared to the fashion industry. It's ever evolving, all the styles are changing. Is it important for you that your stylists keep up on those different changing styles?
Yes, it's not only very important to us, it is our job to do so, because it is our job to educate our client on their hair, on product knowledge, on new services, techniques, and certainly trend releases.
Can you give us an overview of all the extensive services you have here?
Sure. We do, we're a full-service salon and urban spa. We do everything from hair care, specializing in extensions and corrective hair color. We boast 2 beautiful new pedicure massage chairs. We have 3 treatment rooms where we do massage therapy, specializing in deep tissue and hot stone. We also have 2 skincare rooms where we do facials, my personal favorite, microdermabrasion, chemical peels, and full body waxing.
So this is obviously a very upscale salon, but what I'm noticing is that everybody's very friendly, no one's pretentious. Is that the vibe you're going for?
It's one of the most important things to me. Because we are upscale, it's important that we remain friendly. We want everybody to feel welcome, and we want everybody, when they leave, to feel like they've had a very nice, friendly experience and a desire to come back.
So basically, you can't please everybody all the time, right, when it comes to customer service, especially when you must have people walking in here with a picture of Jennifer Aniston saying, "Make me look like this," and you just can't work miracles all the time. How do you cater to everyone's needs?
I work very closely with my staff on how to do a correct consultation. So I think consultation is extremely important. I would then explain to the client that she doesn't have that hair type. Talk to her about the hair type she does have, what her options are with her eye color, her face shape, and we just try to direct them in the right direction.
Perfect. So businesses pride themselves on many different things, facets, principles. What is your number one principle that you are so proud of your business?
Well, number one would be my staff. I have an amazing staff. I'm very lucky to have them. They're not only talented, they're innovative, they're professional. And I also think that we set the tone for the salon, and customers feel that energy.
That means people are going to want to come back, right?
Absolutely.
Now, in addition to that, you call yourself an actively green salon. For our viewers at home who don't really know what that means, can you explain?
My manager, Suzanne, actually coined the phrase actively green, because it's very difficult to have a business and call it green all the way, especially when there are chemicals involved. But we do use all natural products. We recycle everything from our paper to cans and bottles. We serve our clients coffee in cups and not paper cups. And we even recycle the hair.
You recycle the hair. How does that work?
There's a company called Matter of Trust, and what they do is they take the hair and they make mats to put at the bottom of the ocean when there's an oil spill.
That is amazing, and anyone can contribute, right? Because certain places will only take certain hair, or...
Correct. Unlike Locks of Love, where it has to be a certain length and can have no color on it, we can send them all of our cut hair. So we recycle every drop of hair we cut.
That's amazing. And in addition to being environmentally friendly, you also contribute in your community with fundraisers. Is that important to you to keep giving back?
We are involved in just about every fundraiser we're asked to be in. I believe that giving back to our community is extremely important.
Is there a service today that you would like to introduce or reintroduce to the public?
Well, again, my favorite is microdermabrasion, and I like it because you have instant results. You have no side effects. You can have it at lunch and go back to work. It takes off all dead skin, allows for better product penetration, and also reduces fine lines.
So Toby got me all excited about this microdermabrasion thing. I just had to try it for myself. But before we start, I have to ask, What exactly is microdermabrasion?
Microdermabrasion is a form of mechanical exfoliation. It uses a diamond tip to exfoliate the skin, and the suction helps draw blood to the surface, stimulating collagen production and cell turnover. It aids in product penetration and also helps smoothing fine lines and helps fade acne scarring.
And it doesn't hurt at all. It just kind of tickles.
Yeah, it feels a lot like a kitty licking your face.
Also, I would like to invite the men to come in for a little bit of waxing, because I don't know, guys, too many girls who like the unibrow or a hairy back.
Yeah, can you also offer courses on how to get guys to come in and do that? Because I would love one of those.
Well, I know that we offer a comfortable place for them to come. Our rooms are private. They don't have to walk through the salon to get to the spa.
So, is there anything that you can think of that maybe separates you from other salons? Why do people seek out Salon Toby versus other salons?
I think we've got a great location. I think we're very consistent with our services. And I think that my staff does a good job of bringing them back.
I never let anyone cut my hair unless I trust them with my life. So, I make an exception when it comes to Salon Toby. But, yeah, I've never actually either had a salon haircut that I've been satisfied with the moment they've been done cutting. But, today's kind of changed that.
Wow, so you've had some bad experiences in the past?
Yeah, totally. Like, it usually takes a couple weeks to grow into my hairdo. Like, I'm not sure if I like it. But here it's like as soon as they finish cutting, it's just like, oh, I know I'll like it.
So you're set. You're coming back here for good.
Definitely. Instant gratification.
Is there any advice or tips you can offer our viewers that are looking for a new salon, how to kind of choose which one is right for them?
I could talk about this subject for a really long time. I think first and foremost, you can call for a free 15-minute consultation. If they say they don't offer them, I would move on and call the next one. I think that a lot of people get intimidated when they're sitting in the chair, and I think that if you are uncomfortable with something that's going on, you need to speak up. And I've seen a lot of times clients be too afraid to speak up. I always say, it's their hair, it's their time, and it's their money. They need to leave happy, and if they're not happy, I would also advise them to tell their stylist.
Because it's difficult. Once you find the perfect stylist or salon, you never want to part with them. It's like the perfect mate, Do you have clients that have maybe even moved away that still commute to come back to the salon?
We do.
Is there anything for our viewers that are watching today, any special offers that you could maybe extend to them?
Yeah, I would love to. We would like to offer the women out there a free cut with color. We would also like to offer a free brow wax with a pedicure. And then for the men, we'd like to offer $10 off their first service.
Wow, that's very generous. I think everyone out there needs to take Salon Toby up on their offer. And once again, we are located here on Quebec Street and East 2nd Avenue at Salon Toby Urban Spa. You can find them online at www.salontoby.com. The number is at the bottom of the screen. So there you have it. Salon Toby is the place to go to for great hair, all of the extensive services you can imagine, and in a great atmosphere. I'm Nadine Marie for CNTV, and if you don't know, now you know.